Kajala Megalaya Hadu Kashpobaji Missep Janga Pratric Nailar Arja Arpo, Gladon Kanyo would give you Tamayu COVID-19, but Katar would give Blockod no. KDHS Kalapintip Banagini Kanyo would give you Tamai, Katar would Kidena East Castle District, Hakababaro Katar would Kidena Kiru Pajba. Arwood Kideki Pajba and Garo Hills District, but Lion Kideki BSF the West Garo Hills District. Naginiki Kat Arwood Ki Blockod Bad, Soundwood Kidena East Castle District, Hakaba Way de BSF, but Lion would Kiru Pajba. Hinyongwood Park Kidena Riboy District. The Kajingyot Mike Niki Kanyongwood, Kajala Megalaya had open me Yanika Kubor, Kadon Shiaja Arpulite League positive case, Sunspark Dipe South League active case, Southspa Arpulite League recovered case, Bandrewood Kiblaklan no. Nagini ki Sunspark Dipe South League active case, Ka East Castle District Kadon Southspa Sunpulite League. Hakabashi Spa South Armwood Kideki Shipai BSF, Henry Naka Armed Force, but our Spa South Sunwood Nakirio Pajba. Kariboy District Kadon Rup Santali active case, West Khasi Hills Henrio, West Giantia Hills Khatsan, East Giantia Hills Khatpra, West Garo Hills Lifeway, Southwest Garo Hills R, South Garo Hills R, but North Garo Hills are the league active case.